And we know that when there is a positive vorticity, there is a cyclonic circulation in the northern hemisphere, right? So when there is a cyclone, in your case, it is a Varda cyclone, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So when there is a cyclone, then there will be a positive vorticity, isn't it, at the surface, right? But will this cyclonic circulation exist throughout the troposphere? Tell me. Have you seen the wind vectors in the vertical at 200 millibar, 100 millibar?
Yes, sir.
So will the cyclonic circulation exist
No.
at 200 millibar also when there is a cyclone at the surface?
No.
No, right? So what happens is in the lower levels you have a cyclonic circulation, and in the upper level you have a opposite anticyclonic circulation, right? That means convergence at the lower level, divergence at the upper level, right? Convergence at the lower level, divergence at the upper level, and that is required also to satisfy the mass continuity, right? For the conservation of mass, there has to be there. When there is a convergence of mass, there has to be divergence of mass, isn't it? So at the lower level we have a cyclonic vorticity, so upper level we have an anticyclonic vorticity. But that anticyclonic and cyclonic vorticity need not be exactly vertical, right? Because sometimes your axis of the cyclone may be tilted. The axis, the vertical axis of the cyclone may not be exactly 90-degree vertical. It may be tilted, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It is possible to have the tilting, right? And that also leads to lots of consequences of intensification and dissipation of the cyclone. So when it is exactly vertical 90-degree, the vertical axis of the cyclone is exactly 90-degree, तब तो ठीक है. Lower level cyclonic circulation, upper level anticyclonic circulation. Lower level convergence, upper level divergence, perfect, satisfying the mass conservation. But if it is tilted, then it is not necessary that where there is a cyclonic vorticity at the surface, there should be anticyclonic vorticity at 200 millibar exactly at the same location, not necessary. See, in nature there are so many variations are there. You cannot idealize, generalize all the cases. Suppose if your Varda cyclone is not exactly vertical, it is tilted, then where there is a cyclonic vorticity at the surface, did not be anticyclonic vorticity at 200 millibar, 100 millibar in the upper level. It will be tilted. So such situations can happen. But suppose in your perfectly vertical case of the axis of the cyclone, you have got a cyclonic vorticity, there is a convergence at the surface level. So when there is a convergence, your stream function क्या होगा? What will be the stream function? Positive or negative?
Negative. Negative, sir.
Stream function is non-divergent, right? Non-divergent. And in the upper level, when you have a anticyclonic vorticity at 200 millibar, the stream function will be positive or negative. Think. So the point is that it's likely that the negative vorticity and the positive stream function may not coincide exactly at the same place, right? Even at the same level. depends on situation to situation. So one good way of check is, of course, not to just compare your results as well. Just one direct computation from the ERA data is available, or from a there are many sites, websites which also provide the uh, real-time computation of stream functions. You just make a search on Google. You find that there are many websites now where the real-time display of the stream function is also presented. So either or even the past stream functions may be directly computed and stored in some NCEP and card analysis or some other analysis. Recently, yesterday only, I heard that the ECMWF have now made their all the graphical products free on their website. Did you hear that news? Yes or no? Nobody.
Yes.
You have heard that news? How did you hear that?
Sir? Yes, sir, I heard.
अच्छा, you heard. Good, very good. How did you hear? कहाँ से सुना?
Sir, I get updates from ERA on mail.
Okay, you got a mail from ERA. Good, very good. Yeah, good. So there's very
Yes,
good
sir.
news. Yeah, there's very good news that ECMWF has made its real-time model products free to all. Earlier it was not free because it was available free only to the member countries, the real-time forecast fields. And for rest of the world who are not the members of ECMWF, no, it was not visible. Only they had some very limited products which they were making as free from their website, but all other products were not free for the non-member countries. And so if you wanted to see the forecast of ECMWF model over India in real time, you could not see it. And what was made available free was also kind of a coarser version, not their original version. Suppose if they are running the model at T something like 1534, then they were making the outputs available for Indian user only at very coarser resolution like T700 something like that. But now it is free. So that is a very good thing because ECMWF model is supposed to be the world leader, the best model in the world, global model for NWP. And if the products from the best model is available, then it will be very, very useful guidelines for all over the world, all countries. They can make use this, as the guidelines for making the forecasts for many people. Of course, there is only graphical product they are making available, not the digital product. The digital product are still they are restricting to only the member countries. The graphical product they are sharing or making free to all. So just check that now whether ECMWF in real time they are producing the graphs of the stream function or not. But the point is that even if they produce the graph of real time, in your case is an old case, Varda cyclone. So how will you compare that? Unless somebody has computed the Varda stream function and stored it somewhere. That may be possible in some climate diagnostics. Now IMD makes a report of all the cyclones that form in the North Indian Ocean Basin and Io Basin, North Indian Ocean Basin. All the past report of the cyclone. When was this Varda cyclone? Which year was that?
So 2016.
2016. So the report may still be available on the IMD website for the Varda. Have you got the IMD's report of Varda cyclone?
No, sir, I don't have it.
Yeah, just try to check from the IMD website. They have a RSMC, Regional Specialized Meteorological Center website, RSMC website. There's a link there given in the IMD's main web page. There is a link given there. So go to that link and search your Cyclone Varda report. Download that report. And most likely in those reports, they present everything. All the analysis, including the stream functions, etc. Okay. So if so, then compare your stream function that you have computed with the IMD's a stream function which they have computed for the Varda cycle. Check and let me know.
Yes.
Okay.
So I tried to change the code, but now my plot has changed completely.
Change
And
towards good or change towards bad.
so
Your plot has changed completely.
bad.
Become better or worse?
No, it has become bad. So,
No, it has become bad. Then
so I
only
tried to automate the number of iterations. So it
automate.
became very bad. Like so I put it in a loop uh, so that like in the code that I sent you, I gave 10 iterations. I myself gave.
Ah.
So I thought I'll
Can
let
you,
the
can you share your code? No, the old code and the
yes.
new code, but I don't remember your codes. Can you share your old code and new code?
Oh yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, so I have to stop my screen, right? Sharing.
No, sir. It started sharing already.
It's okay? I see.
So this one was the one I sent you.
So slightly move right because can't see the left side. Yeah. Okay. And also put the line numbers, set the line numbers on. Okay. So
And
open, read, Vodcity. Yeah, we go to the top. This is the second one, new one.
yes, so this one I tried to change, but it looks very bad.
Uh, can you move further right?
Okay.
Both
Yes.
both the screens. Okay, so let me see your right side first. The screen on the right. You are saying program, stream function, dimension declared, and then Vodcity, etc. Real time. You are opening a Vodcity file. You are opening a stream function file, and then you're writing in the unformatted form for quality for the grads, right? Yes, so. Then you're reading the Vodcity. Right, you're reading the Vodcity. Well, when you have a okay, I mean that is for later purpose. You can have everything in one program itself, like starting from reading the U and V text, computing the average velocity, computing the stream, everything can be in one program. But anyway, now it's okay because they're learning in parts. So then what you have done is you have initialized all the, and what is your K? K, have you defined K somewhere? K, where is your K?
So K I read.
Oh, for
It's
all the levels you have
different
read.
levels.
Okay, so where is your K loop in this line number?
Oh, sir, I edited it so many times, so it got missed.
Okay, actually, generally the best way to write these loops is that your vertical loops should be outermost loop.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes. Sir.
That is the proper way of writing the code. Vertical loops should be always the outermost loop. Right. So then I equal to 1 to 161, and you are initializing all the things. So your stream function is a real, right? Real. So this you have initialized as an integer.
No, sir, they,
The stream function is real, declared real, no?
I've declared it as real.
There should be 0.0 somewhere, no?
Okay.
That's okay. No, not, that's fine, enough. Okay. So undo. Then again, n equal to 1 to 10. See, the thing is, we are computing a stream function. Then after, you see, n is your iteration step, right?
Yes, sir.
Ah, so what you should do is, you should check in every iteration that whether your difference between the previous value of the stream function and the new value of the stream function has become less than or equal to your defined threshold value.
Yes.
That you have not done.
Sir, I've done it in the next loop.
No, it should be within the same iteration loop. Because if the convergence has reached, then there is no need for the iteration.
So I did that in the second loop. Sorry, the second program that I wrote, that I did.
And actually, the thing is that no, that the iteration loop should be the innermost loop. I mean, innermost loop, no, not innermost loop, like it should be within the vertical loop. Like after your k equal to 1 to 131,
Okay, sir. Okay.
that should be your iteration loop. So that for each level, for the entire domain, horizontal domain, you are iterating and checking that your new value has become less than or equal to the threshold error or not.
Yes.
Right? That should be the logic. Okay?
Yes.
ये P equal to 2 क्या है? What is P equal to 2?
Sir, if I don't give some number, then it says it's a named constant. So I just gave an initial value of 2 and then,
There is a number of iteration.
yes, a number of
So
iterations.
P you have declared as integer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, so if the difference is equal to absolute of the stream function minus stream 1 minus stream. Stream 1 is the new value, the old value. Stream, but where is your stream 1?
Stream 1 is my first.
कहाँ है उसमें? तो I see that line number 24. Is only stream at ijk is equal to 0.25. Stream 1. Your line number 24 on the left side of the screen.
Okay, okay.
Right. So there is a problem in your program. Your new value and old value are getting messed up.
So I have to keep updating my first guess.
Yeah, I mean, your new value stream 1 should be equal to the right hand side. No. You're doing ulta. Achha, so that means you're treating a stream as a new value.
Yes, sir.
Okay, your stream is a new value and right. So stream 1 you calculate, and initialize there and about 6 in the line number 16. You initialize stream 1 and stream also you have initialized. So now stream is equal to this expression. Okay. So vorticity, what was the question? H square, is it? H square.
Yes, sir.
H square is the
LX.
delta x square, right? So your delta x is how much?
25,000. In terms of
Kilometer.
meters, it's 25,000.
25 kilometers, right?
25
So
kilometers.
25,000 into the velocity, all right? And then we are checking the difference between the stream 1, that is the old value, and the new value, stream, okay.
So anyway, I've taken absolute. So
So we have taken the absolute of that. Okay, and then if the difference is less than or equal to 1,000, then print this, will exit. Okay, then you are exiting, else you continue.
else I'm iterating the number of, sorry, I'm
Okay.
adding the number of iterations, so one
Okay.
more iterations.
Okay. Yeah. So that way also is okay. I mean, or otherwise, in the loop also you can exit from the loop itself. Once the iteration has reached the convergence, So you have a loop number, then you can exit from the loop itself. So if you are putting in the loop, you know that, right? In the bottom
Okay.
code.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So try to generalize your program and correct those errors which we just discussed, and hopefully that should be fine. I know that this will not be the accurate value because at the boundary you have just specified a constant value of a stream function, all as till for 6, right? So because of that, this will not be the accurate stream function, but approximately you should be able to get wherever there is a high, you should get high, wherever there is a low, you should be able to get low, right? And the patterns should be also similar, but magnitude may not be exactly the same because of the boundary condition, right? Those constants are there.
And sir, in this difference, should the difference, like after every iteration, should I take the difference with the first guess or in between iterations? Like, should it be like first guess minus first iteration, first guess minus second iteration, or second iteration minus first iteration, third iteration minus second iteration, like that?
No, I mean it should be from the new value and the old value, right? New value and old value. Difference between new value and old value. Now the thing is that in such situation, when you are just trying to learn the things. What is happening in this program is that every point it is trying to take the difference,
Yes.
right? And you are trying to ensure that the difference is less than or equal to the threshold error at all the points. Suppose part of your points have already reached the convergence, and some part have not reached the convergence. But even then, it will repeat all the parts
Okay.
in this case. But it's okay. I mean, even if it has reached the convergence at some point, in the next iteration, that will further reduce the difference. In the next iteration, it should further reduce the difference. These are all the numerical, numerical experiments. And of course, that's how you have done it and have seen the results also. But in sometimes, some cases, if you have very big domain, lots of numbers, 100 vertical levels, and 1,000 by 1,000 points, maybe those points which have reached conversion that may not be checked. But for your case, it's okay. I think you can check all the points in the loop, and even if part of the domain have reached convergence and some part have not. Suppose in this case, even if one point has not reached the convergence, then also entire domain will be repeated. Iteration will be repeated for the entire domain. So sometimes people also try to make like an average threshold value. That will also can give error. Like mean of the threshold value of the whole domain, mean of the errors, or root mean square of the error. So there are different ways of checking, but this is okay. I mean, for learning purposes, okay. See, another way is that from your webs, I mean, from the Google, you can find out. So, by the way, have you got any mail about the plays to be taken today?
So
Yes or no? Have you got any information or mail that you are supposed to take a plays today?
no.
No? Well, there is instruction from the government, from the NSS especially, that everybody is supposed to take a pledge of the COVID-19. COVID-19 pledge that you will wear mask all the time and you will maintain a social distance of 6 feet. And then you will take a pledge. There is also a form to be filled up and then you have to submit that form. So all the people who are in the NSS, they have got this information about the pledge, and department also this has been circulated by email. But I thought that it should have been given to all the students also. So, okay, so no problem. So all right. So I think you try to correct that and then see.
Yes, sir.
Right. So let me also talk to other people. What are their status? Asna, what is your status? Are you there? I see. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you
Hello.
able to conclude? Where are you? How many things have completed so far?
Sir, two vertical
velocity
velocities.
completed, and you are correct. Have you checked whether it is correct or not?
Yes, sir. Matched
Matched
with
with the
the.
ERA beta NC file. Okay.
Yes.
दोनों
Yes.
क्या था? Vertical profile and horizontal distribution दोनों क्या था? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
ठीक है. So try to compute the stream function, right? Yeah.
Okay, sir.
And what about Anis? Yeah. What is your
Yes, sir.
status?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have completed stream function and I have mailed you also,
मेल
sir.
किया था एक्चुअली मेरे को टाइम नहीं मिला है ना इतना सारा काम आ गया है कि मैं देख नहीं पा रहा हूँ तुम्हारा रिजल्ट को कैन यू शेयर योर रिजल्ट ओके
Yes, sir.
Dipesh, I'll talk to you after this, okay? Are you ready? So,
Yes, sir. सर ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जो है वो 850 एचपा पे है
yeah,
और जो राइट हैंड साइड में है वो 200 एचपा पे है सर.
दोनों साइड में स्ट्रीम फंक्शन है या एक
सर दोनों में स्ट्रीम फंक्शन है और जो लेफ्ट साइड में है उसमें 850 एचपा पे है, उसमें साइक्लोनिक सर्कुलेशन जो है वहां पे स्ट्रीम फंक्शन जो है वो नेगेटिव जा रहा है 850 एचपा पे
अच्छा
और इसमें यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव है सर.
हाँ ऊपर में उसका उल्टा हो जाता है ना इन्वर्ट हो जाता है ना तो दैट इज
यस सर.
तुमने एक्चुअली बी वैल्यूज को इतना ज्यादा क्या रखा है उसमें मल्टीप्लाइड विद सम फैक्टर ना लाइक 10 पावर 6 देखो कितना गंदा लग रहा है तुम्हारा जो प्रोबेबिलिटी
यस सर. यस सर.
इधर मल्टीप्लाइड बाय स्मूथ और -5 और -4 तो एक डिसेंट वैल्यू वहां पे देखा ना डिजिट्स
यस सर.
so that is
Yes, sir.
and you can write accordingly in your region that stream function into 10 power whatever you have used the multiplication factor that and the unit meters per second right
यस सर.
so yeah
सर और एक वेबसाइट मैंने देखा है सर, ये वेबसाइट है, ये इस वेबसाइट पे मैंने सेम टाइम का जैसे मेरा सितंबर 2018 में है साइक्लोन नीसा, तो मैंने 925 MB पे ये साइक्लोन मतलब ये इसमें डेट वाइज तो नहीं है डाटा, मतलब मंथली डाटा है, तो मैंने ये पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे देखा तो ये एनोमली शो कर रहा है सर, ये एग्जैक्टली वो नहीं है, वो एनोमली है. तो इसमें सर यहाँ पे 925 पे जहाँ पे मेरे साइक्लोनिक सर्कुलेशन नेगेटिव होना चाहिए था, तो एनोमली के अकॉर्डिंग यहाँ पे ये पॉजिटिव है सर.
So positive anomaly है वहाँ पे.
Yes, sir.
So stream monitor वहाँ पे that is बढ़ गया. That is at 850 millibar.
Hmm.
So that means when there is a positive velocity,
Hmm.
and that means when there is a convergence, your stream function has increased.
Hmm.
And it should be the opposite way when there is a negative velocity and there is a divergence, then the stream function should be decreased. Right? So,
Yes.
yeah, I mean, this is a rough comparison because this is for the same date and same time or just a monthly kind of क्या है? Same date का है? Is it same date?
So it's monthly standardized data anomaly.
Monthly anomaly है, monthly anomaly. Monthly anomaly is difficult to compare the daily values. The daily value बाद में it will get smoothened. I just suggested earlier that all of you, whoever is doing whatever case now, try to see the IMD report for that case. And I guess, I hope that in the IMD report, the stream versions analysis should be given here for that case. So if it is available, if you are able to find out, then that will be exact reference for your case, right? That is one thing. The second thing is that, as I indicated earlier, that there are standard softwares available for inverting the Laplacian. This is important. Of course, you have done yourself, written the code and computed. So that is important to learn how the stream functions will be computed. But just to check, cross-check now whether your computation is giving you similar results to the standard way of computation or not. We just find out from the Google, and I have given two references of the
Hello.
website. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, मैंने दो वेबसाइट का रेफरेंस वहाँ पे दिया था जहाँ पर फोर्ट्रान कोर्स अवेलेबल हैं for different types of numerical techniques and algorithms, including the relaxation method. So just check that link. Have you seen that website?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So from that website, जो उनका Fortran code दिया गया है, you can just use that Fortran code and then compute your stream model using that code, and then see whether your values are comparable to that or not. Okay. That will be another check. So there are so many ways to check your results.
सर वो थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग है, समझ में नहीं आया वो.
जो
Yes, same here.
Fortran जो code दिया हुआ है, maybe
So what are they trying to calculate? I don't understand, sir, because no details are given. So
I see.
I
Yeah,
could.
maybe that maybe just a generalized code, and that will probably require some input fields, and then it will give you some output. I have not seen those codes myself, but I thought that it might give you some hints in computing the Laplacian of any function. Generally, those things are written for standard engineering application, but it could be used. So if it is clear, it's fine. If it's not clear, no, you don't have to spend too much time in that, because anyway, you can compare your results from the standard outputs of the IMD or any other place. You can find out from the website. That will be fine. Another way could be also, because this is an old case, 2016 case for Pratasri, Barda cyclone, and Anish का पता नहीं कौन सा वाला केस था. Anish तुम्हारा कौन सा?
2018 sir. 2018 September. Nisa cyclone.
Yeah. So another way would be that 2018 के Nisa cyclone के केस में. Okay, so rather than taking old case, take yesterday's case. Yesterday's data will be available. Analysis, yesterday's analysis file should be available from the ANSYP website. That the one which we use to run the WRF model every day, the real-time case. But the thing is that real time also, of course, you can calculate, but then unless in real time they are computing or not, the stream function, because everybody does not compute the stream function always, depends on the interest. But if some site is computing the real time stream function, then in real time you just download the NCF data, compute your stream function and compare with that stream function. But if they are not computing stream function, then again you cannot compare the real time data. Right. By the way, Anish and Asna, I think और किसको बताया था? Anish, Gitesh और क्या नाम है? Shweta. Probably others also have told you about the NCF out of the VLSI data. To try
Yes,
to read the, yeah. Did you try to read the NCF out of the VLSI data?
यस सर.
कुछ दिखाई दिया? सक्सेस दिखाई दिया? Could you
हाँ
say-
सर, है तो वो, लेकिन उसके अंदर प्रॉब्लम ये था ना कि जैसे हमारे पास अभी एक वेरिएबल है, उस वेरिएबल पे अगर हमें अलग अलग लेवल पे डाटा चाहिए, मतलब प्लॉट चाहिए, तो हम उसको सेट लैब करके हम लोग उसको कर लेते हैं और प्लॉट ले लेते हैं. लेकिन उसमें क्या है, वो हर लेवल के लिए अलग अलग वेरिएबल है. तो हर लेवल के लिए जैसे हमें 1000 पे करना हुआ तो वो वेरिएबल टाइप करना पड़ेगा, 850 के लिए वो वेरिएबल टाइप करना पड़ेगा. ये है सर उसमें डिफरेंस.
No, तो what you have to do is जैसे अलग-अलग है, तो सबको वर्क करके एक साथ तुम एक तीसरे फाइल में लगवा लो अपने कन्वीनियंस के हिसाब से all data. You'll have to open all the files level by level, मान लो, and then read all of them and then write into one file according to your convenience. वो तो हो सकता है ना. उसके बाद then you manipulate that.
हाँ सर, जैसे अभी हम लोगों ने फोर्ट्रन कमांड्स का यूज करके और अभी जैसे किया है, उसी सेम तरीके से हम पहले उसको एक्सेल फाइल में कन्वर्ट करके फिर उसको कॉपी करके, सेम ना सर, ऐसे बोल रहे हैं आप?
एक्सेल फाइल में कन्वर्ट करो या ना करो, लाइक सपोज इट इज इन द वो कौन सा फॉर्मेट में है, नेटसीडीएफ में है.
हाँ सर, नेटसीडीएफ.
तो नेटसीडीएफ डेटा को तुम उसको पढ़ने के लिए कुछ प्रोग्राम है वहाँ पे, इधर भी प्रोग्राम गिवन टू रीड द नेटसीडीएफ डेटा ऑफ एनसीएफ.
नहीं सर, फिर वही ग्राड्स में प्लॉट होता है और फिर या तो उसको एक्सेल में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं.
अच्छा, that way. But there are programs available to read the NetCDF data also. No? There are NetCDF programs or read the NetCDF data. Standard programs are available, in which you can read the NetCDF data into your Fortran code, and then after you have read the data, then you just manipulate it according to your way. That also you should learn. Maybe आज नहीं तो कल, today or tomorrow you have to learn that also. How to read the NetCDF data. The software is available, the standard software is available to read the NetCDF data. So that you can find out easily from Google. And in that case, you converting to the text file using Excel sheet, those things will not be required. That was only for the exercise to learn. Okay. So
सर, जो मैंने अभी जो आपको दिखाया था, स्टैंडर्ड एनोमली दिखाया था वो, और उसको मैंने कंपेयर किया अपने प्लॉट से, तो सर सही है या नहीं है?
वो तो तुम्हारा एक्चुअली मंथली एनोमली है ना?
हाँ सर.
पर्टिकुलर डे?
नो सर, पर्टिकुलर डे के लिए नहीं.
हाँ?
मंथली नहीं, मंथली है सर, डे के लिए नहीं है.
हाँ, मंथली से कंपेयर करना तो मुश्किल हो रहा है, क्योंकि नॉर्मली विल चेंज.
वैसे सर नॉर्मली स्ट्रीम फंक्शन अगर देखें तो साइक्लोन के पास वहां पे जैसे 850 एचपा पे हमारा साइक्लोन अच्छे से दिखता है, तो वहां पे हमारा नेगेटिव होना चाहिए.
साइक्लोन का जो वर्टिसिटी वहां पे पॉजिटिव होगा, तो कन्वर्जेंस एंड योर स्ट्रीम फंक्शन इज नॉन डाइवर्जेंट.
और ऊपर 200 एचपा पे फिर वो पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. हाँ, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग तो सर प्लॉट जो है ग्राड्स का वो तो ठीक है, लेकिन उसको फिर भी कंपेयर करना पड़ेगा अभी. यस सर.
तो but otherwise, you know, it looks okay, and you have learned the procedure at least now how to compute and how to check. And I don't know how many iterations it took you to convert it.
सर मैंने आपको मेल सेंड किया था, उसमें मैंने दो को कंपेयर किया था, एक में 10 दिया था और एक में 15 दिया था. तो जो सर मैंने अभी आपको दिखाया उसमें 15 था, और मैंने आपको जो पिक भेजी है उसमें मैंने एक में 15 का करके भेजा है आपको, और एक में 10 का, दोनों को कंपेयर करने के लिए मैंने आपको दोनों का पिक भेज रखा है सर।
वो क्या 10-15 क्या है, वो इटरेशन नंबर है और क्या है?
हाँ सर, हाँ इटरेशन नंबर है उसमें। फिर वो हो रहा है कि जैसे 15 कर दिया तो ज्यादा मतलब वेरिएशन शो कर रहा है, कलर्स का जो वो है वेरिएंस है वो बढ़ जाएगा, जैसे नंबर ऑफ कलर जो है वो बढ़ गया 15 में, 10 में वही है, कम है।
एक होता है ओवर रिलैक्सेशन, अदर इज अंडर रिलैक्सेशन। तो बट तुम्हारा पहला जो कन्वर्जेंस हुआ दैट वाज एट व्हाट इटरेशन, उसको चेक किया तुमने? फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन इट कन्वर्ट, व्हाट वाज दैट इटरेशन?
फर्स्ट टाइम मतलब सर?
मतलब कि व्हेन द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द न्यू वैल्यू एंड ओल्ड वैल्यू बिकेम लेस देन इक्वल टू योर थ्रेशोल्ड वैल्यू फर्स्ट टाइम। तो क्या है कि आई मीन एक बार जब कन्वर्ट
नहीं, वो नहीं देखा सर मैंने।
that also get checked. What was the iteration number when it reached the conversion for the first time? And उसके बाद तुम फिर दोबारा iteration कर रहे हो, तो forcefully कर रहे हो, when it has reached convergence, because you are putting your loop or you have fixed your, have you set the exit? Suppose it has reached the iteration and convergence, have you put the exit loop there, that is exit now in the quote unquote? क्योंकि अगर तुम इक्वेशन को स्प्लिट कर दोगे कि 10 बार करना है राइट, क्या वो कन्वर्जेंस वो भी क्या हो तभी भी उसको 10 बार करना पड़ेगा। अगर तुमने जब ऑलरेडी फिक्स है इटरेशन नंबर, तो वो कन्वर्जेंस ऑलरेडी क्या तभी करना रहेगा, तो वो देख के उसके अकॉर्डिंग फिर उसको परमानेंट करना पड़ेगा। ऐसा है कि दोबारा करने की जरूरत क्या है?
यस,
तो दैट विल सेव योर टाइम आल्सो एंड obviously avoid your overrelaxation.
Yes.
That thing you have to put in the code, that condition you have to put in the code. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, ठीक है. So I think going okay, but others are lagging behind. Everybody should do. And I see only 4 people are left here. So ऐसे काम नहीं चलेगा. और आज श्वेता को क्या हो गया? No idea. Jitesh था वो गायब हो गया. Jitesh was saying he wanted to discuss something. रोज चला गया. नहीं है ना भी Jitesh है क्या?
नहीं है सर.
Yeah, you're not seen. So ठीक है. I think others later others also should compute these things. And in the next class, I think as I said, theory class probably 2 or 3 more classes, your theory part will be over, and after that we have only practicals. So and we can discuss the practical ability also. Because the theory is over, because still I don't know when will you be your end of the semester examination. The date is not yet fixed, but generally we were told that by 15th of October we should try to finish the syllabus, and our syllabus will be over by that time anyway. Today is 8th of October. Yeah, our next class will be on Monday. Monday is what date? 12, right? 12th of October. So 12, 13, 14, 15. So definitely we'll be able to finish by 15. We can extend also up to 20th. If your examinations are not immediately, you can take some extra classes beyond 15th of October also, right? And discuss the practical part. Every day then we can discuss the practical part. Once your theory is over, we can discuss the practical part. And I was thinking that in the next practical, I'll try to talk about the WRF model, because the WRF model also is part of the practical. We had kept idealized part, especially in this semester. So I think one of you had done that idealized exercise. Somebody was Anish was, I think, कुछ बता रहे थे केस ना land base सीरीज का.
यस सर. सर वो आप बोल रहे थे ना उस दिन की स्ट्रीम फंक्शन चेक करने के लिए, उसमें तो सर मैंने देखा नहीं है सर उसमें भी स्ट्रीम फंक्शन.
स्ट्रीम फंक्शन किस में हो? जो आइडियलाइज वाले में.
तो आपने बोला था ना कि CTL फाइल जो जिसमें मैंने बहुत सारे वेरिएबल कर दिया था, तो आपने बोला था कि उसमें भी मे भी हो सकता है उसमें स्ट्रीम फंक्शन हो, तो उसमें नहीं था सर.
अच्छा स्ट्रिंग पोजीशन तो that is should be there in the full the total fill है उसमें स्ट्रिंग पोजीशन होना चाहिए but I don't know. I'll try to check I mean, it's many years since I have left those things now. But I'll check back. But string position should have been there. String position, if not in there, actually you should also learn some other graphics because I mentioned that grades is one, but slowly you should learn other graphics like Encode graphics and RIP especially. RIP is a very good software. It gives very nice plots, and RIP has many more fields which are not available in the grades. Like in the CTL file, as you are saying, string position is not there. You are saying, but in the RIP, I'm sure that should be there. String position. I'll try to dig out if I can find out my old files, many years old. Those things, but RIP string position should be there, and I thought that it should have been there in the grades total fill also. But that was only for the comparison of your computed result versus the ready-made result from the grades. So I'll check it out. It's there. So वो कर लो, and then I was thinking that because some people are finding difficulties in the model installation also. Probably they have not read then all the aspects of the model, what are the features available, etc. So I thought that I may take some 2-3 classes on the model. So that probably we can do in the next week after we have finished the theory part. Data simulation, then probably I can take some lectures on the model. But before we have the final semester examination. So right now, first semester people have not joined yet, admission has not been done yet, and your syllabus is almost going to be complete. So we can spend some time in discussing your extra things in the practical. So we shall see next week all those things. Okay. So any other point to discuss? Is there any other point to discuss?
No, sir.
All right. So ठीक है, already 1:20 now. Can we stop for today? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So I stopped the recording, and Najmeen has got the recording again today. So दोनों पार्ट का तुम्हारे पास है नजमीन, राइट? पहला पार्ट भी तुम्हारे पास गया है आज, राइट? हाँ, दूसरा पार्ट भी तुम्हारे पास चला गया. So you will share the files and I will circulate to all. Okay? So ठीक है, then we'll meet on Monday now. All right? Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.